Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell and it has been a minute since I have filmed one of these videos. So today I'm going to be doing a wash and go using the My Black is Beautiful Defining Jelly. I've been wanting to try their products for a while. I just didn't know where to start. So let's see. Ooh, oh, it is sticky. Ooh, like honey. It smells really good. Nice and fresh and ooh, it smells good. It did not translate. It did not do what I thought it was going to do for my hair. Like I thought it was gonna be like really smooth. This is what it looks like. And I don't like it. I don't like the way it feels. Okay, after adding the second pump, it feels a little better. But that first pump, it just felt like I was adding some foam to my hair. So my hair doesn't feel like silky smooth. My curls did come out a little bit. Okay, so seeing my hair like this, you guys, I thought it looked absolutely amazing. Like, I did not want it to shrink up at all. I thought my hair looked so good like this. But, you know, shrinkage has to happen. So, yes, this is what it looks like, fully dried. Now, with the bad, I will say my hair was stiff. It did dry with like a crunch to it. It wasn't too bad. My hair wasn't dried out like super bad, but it still dried with the crunch. My hair was a little stiff, but with the good, oh, and I did not have any volume, and I really wish I did, but I really wanted to show you guys what the gel looks like without me doing anything extra, just allowing it to dry. And that is what it looks like. I do feel like I needed a lot more volume. But other than that, you guys, my hair was nice and shiny and the curl definition was amazing. I loved it so much and my hair smelled absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave your thoughts down below, and if you're not subscribed and you want to be, hit the subscription button, and please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. And until next time, bye guys.